There is probably no customer who does not seek a smooth, trouble-free operation. There are even said to be some who have very special rituals to ensure that the heart of their production is always up and running at full capacity. At Heidelberg, our service activities aim to ensure that our customers have a working day as uneventful as possible. And if something does happen, a cascade of actions unfolds. Our service team works remotely to ensure that production is up and running again as quickly as possible, and at the same time sets everything in motion to permanently fix the issue. Thanks to our worldwide logistics network and 2,300 service staff across 200 locations, parts and technicians are readily available on site. We have always been fully committed to providing our customers with the highest quality of service. Only that it might have looked a little different in the past. With new technologies, our service portfolio is constantly evolving. And our service will certainly look different again tomorrow. But there's one thing you can be sure of. We've got your back. Service you can rely on.